This is my dessert. I already put soya and condensed milk and the cut of my mango I already put inside. So it's called A1 item. This is called A1 item because this got in this got soya, coconut milk, condensed sweet milk, vanilla ice cream from there. So and finally is my syrup. It's not only syrup but it's a pearl syrup. But in these A1 items doesn't have the A bubbles because although have the item that we call A19, this is the A19 item that you can find your pearls inside this, but this and this is different because in A1 only have the mango flavor inside this, also called mango fruits that I already cut small and I already put a 2 tablespoon. So in this A19 you can enjoy your double bar if you like the pearls so much. So in this you can try your best because it's only 5 ringgit per cup. Inside this have vanilla ice cream, condensed sweet milk, syrup, soya, and finally our mango. So this is the item that I use to make a cup. So I will prepare you not only the cup, also the spoon. So you can enjoy your meal everywhere, anytime. So please call me using your WhatsApp and personal message me for let me know what is your opinion. If you want it, you please message me your number item, your quantity of the item, and your home address. So I will come to near your door house, your near main door house, and I will make my payment clear and I will give this you to enjoy the new dessert that called A1. So I already prepare a paper that I choose that vanilla ice cream. This is called A1. Per cup is only 5 ringgit. So 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. every day. So this is the plan. I will paste it on our left side. So please call if you want and please subscribe my channel if you like. So please share to your friends or your family members or your loved ones if you feel them to try these new desserts in 2020 in MCO situation. So I hope you enjoy it. Thank you.